Learn how to toast coconut in the oven and the microwave to add to baked goods, ice cream, granola, or eat it plain. Welcome back, or if you're new here, my name is Kate and this is Bake That. Add 1 or 2 cups of coconut to a baking sheet. Spreading the coconut out in a thin layer. Bake in a 350-degree preheated oven for around 9 minutes, stirring the coconut every 3 minutes. You can use shredded, chips, or flaked coconut, or sweetened or unsweetened coconut. The sweetened coconut will toast faster though. Toasting coconut in the oven is my favorite method because the coconut gets evenly toasted. Add 1 or 2 cups of coconut to a microwave-safe plate and spread the coconut out in a thin layer. Microwave in 60-second intervals for about 10 minutes, stirring until the coconut starts to turn brown. You can use shredded chips or flaked coconut or sweetened or unsweetened coconut, but the sweetened coconut will toast faster. Microwaving coconut is really quick and works if you do not want to turn the oven on, but it doesn't get the coconut as toasted as using the oven. If you love coconut, check out my coconut cookies in the link above or in the description below. Toasted coconut would be really good in those cookies. As you can see, the microwave does not toast the coconut evenly. Thank you so much for watching. Come back next week to bake more good things.